Hello YouTube, this is Strategy Check, the one place you can find ways of making money online for free that actually work. And in this video I am going to be telling you about the best ways you can start making money online right now in 2020. Do not worry, all these methods are completely free and do not have any hidden charges attached to them. They can also be done by anyone in the world at any time from any device with internet access. This might sound crazy, but if you stick with me till the end of this video you'll be able to start making up to $40 continuously from doing simple things online. In this video I am going to open your eyes to possibilities you might have not really thought of trying yet, that could make you have steady income online. So I will start off this video with number 5 on the list. It's a simple application that has been around for some time but most people may have not known about the potential it has. You can get free Bitcoin and make around $40 continuously from it. By doing simple tasks that require no skill at all. You can register for free and start making money from it by just playing games on your phone and watching short videos. All you need to do is to click the link below and download the app now for free to instantly get 6k points on the app and start earning now. The app is called StormX, and it offers various opportunities of earning Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So for all Bitcoin lovers out there, we've got you covered. Also note that you can only get the bonus points if you download using the link in the description below. At number 4 we have a popularly known method of making money online. On autopilot. Yes, this can earn you a nice passive income on autopilot simply because, all you have to do is copy and paste a link anywhere you want and make about $5 every week. And it's by shortening URL. On a website called Wizio, and like many other URL shorteners that you can find out there, you get paid every time someone clicks your link. It has different payment rates for different countries alongside features which include automatic payout and high traffic source. It offers various withdrawal methods and has a minimum withdrawal of $5. You can find various proof of payment on the website to convince you that it actually works and would pay you. If you're interested in making money from URL shortening, you can go online and type best URL shortener or click the link in the description below to be directed straight to Wizio where you can register for free and start URL shortening today. For number 3 we are going to talk about the website that pays you for any service you can be able to offer. You might have guessed it already because it has been around for a while now and has given money to quite a lot of people. And on this website there are more than 3 million people who use it per day to make money from both buying and selling on the website. It's called Fiverr. And Fiverr is basically a freelance website you can get paid for selling gigs, which are some skills you might have such as web programming, graphic design, and even language translation to other users on Fiverr, which can earn you some good cash during the lockdown. Fiverr has over 3 million users and is one of the biggest freelance websites out there. One of the good things about Fiverr is that you can create a free account and start selling your services on the website to people who need them. And Fiverr offers a high amount of security to both parties involved in the transaction. So you don't have to worry about not getting paid or getting scammed. All the gigs start from a minimum of $5 and could get up to $50 depending on the service you offer. So why waste your talent or special skill doing nothing when you can get paid to do what you love on Fiverr now? If you're interested in joining the millions who use Fiverr, you can search it online or click the link in the description below to enter the sign up page. In number 2 comes another very popular website that has over 5 million users on it for more than 4,000 hours per day. Guess what? You are part of them as well. And this is called YouTube. Yes, YouTube, which is a website that wasn't around till about 2010, became popular for being one of the websites where you can watch free videos and access information at the tip of your fingers. On YouTube you can watch videos, like videos, comment on videos and subscribe to channels you have interest in. By the way, you could please hit that subscribe button right now to get my latest videos and updates regarding how to make money online. You can also leave me a comment if you want me to try out any way of making money online you might have found. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you want me to continue posting more content. So how you make money from YouTube is simple. All you need to do is to post a copyright-free video on your channel, and make money each time someone watches your video. Simple, right? But with YouTube you can only start making money when you get up to 4,000 hours of watch time, and 1,000 subscribers. But this isn't something that is impossible. Because you can actually get to that amount if you post quality content and continue to do so. In no time you will be getting there. Some people actually make up to $12 million from ad revenue generated on YouTube, and have been able to start making a full-time business from it after a while, so it's pretty nice to make some good money from posting videos. If you're interested in doing so, you can simply create a channel today and start posting creative content. Now finally we talk about the best way of making money online. Especially for those with free time. And this is called affiliate marketing. Which pays you for simply bringing buyers to certain sellers. And don't get me wrong. It is not exactly as simple as it seems. It requires weeks, months, and sometimes even years before you can start making a reasonable amount of income from it. And the results may vary from person to person, depending on the amount of work effort you are willing to put into it. For beginners, affiliate marketing can be seriously challenging due to the fact that you may not know how to go about it. Even when you do, it can be very challenging because of the level of competition in the marketing industry. The competition has gotten so brutal throughout the past few years till now. People who are into the business have devised various ways of outsourcing and outsmarting the competition. So as a total beginner without any knowledge on how it works can end up not making a single sale for as long as months. Regardless of the amount of time and effort put into it. Luckily there are various ways you can be able to gather up free information on the topic. So despite the level of difficulty associated with affiliate marketing, there are still many who make 5 figures monthly from affiliate marketing consistently. It all comes down to the amount of time you are willing to put into it, and how much information you have at your disposal. If you are interested in doing affiliate marketing, one of the websites you can visit is clickbank.com, and on the website you can register as an affiliate marketer and start making money from promoting brands today. The website may be confusing to use, but luckily there are thousands of free YouTube videos you can watch to simplify the whole process. It is free to sign up, and on the website you can make up to a 50% commission per sale. You can use this website from anywhere in the world. It offers a way for you to withdraw your money using a Payoneer account which you can connect to your ClickBank account. Although ClickBank is reliable, there are still many other affiliate marketing websites out there that offer great perks you can try out today. If you are interested in creating a free ClickBank account now, you can click the link in the description below to do so. Or searches online. There you have it. These are the ways you can make money online in 2020. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe and smash the like button for more videos. You can also leave me a comment if there is any questions you would like to ask, or any method you will like to share as well, and if you would like me to test out another strategy, leave it in the comment box.